Welcome to 40s and Single, Living Alone Diaries. Room, my closet. So I have a really nice size walk-in closet. It's okay to start over. Abundance surrounds me. I have an abundance mindset. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sheena with sheisfab and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheena and she does all the things. If you're an oldie but a goodie, hey girl, hey, you know how we do. So there is an echo because I am currently standing in my new apartment. Yes guys, I moved. So I now have my own place. So my current living situation and relationship status has changed. I said it. We ain't gonna talk about it. Not today. I don't know if we'll talk about it later on down the line. But welcome to 40s and Single, Living Alone Diaries. So if you want to see my new place, just keep watching. All right, guys. So here. Front door, and this is the new place. So I'm gonna pan around. And then I'll take you guys room by room. All right, so when you first walk in the front door, which is right here, just, very small foyer area, okay? And then this is the main bathroom, which is shared with my baby Shelby Marie. So this will be her bathroom as well as the guest bathroom. So there is a small overhead linen closet and a big garden tub. Wow, she's got lots of drawers. Well, she's got 2 drawers and then of course storage underneath the sink. So this door is from the outside, right? And then this is the door to her room. So there's 2 ways she can enter into the bathroom. Oh, let me cut that off. And that is gonna drive me crazy. The fan and the light is connected. Oh, Lord, that's gonna drive me crazy. I wonder if maintenance can fix that. All right, so this is her room. And she has a really nice size room. I love this like little reading nook area. And then she has a nice size closet. So yeah. And then this is her room from the other side. So there's there's floors, hardwood floors throughout the apartment. I have no carpet, which I absolutely love. And then this is the living room area. So it's a nice size living room. I have a ceiling fan, and then I have 2 entrances to the patio. I'm gonna show you just a quick little view of the patio. I don't wanna show y'all too much because I don't want y'all to know where I live. But yeah, this is, I will tell you it's in the Woodlands, which is one of my favorite areas in Houston. I love the heights as well, so, all right. So that is our kitchen. So we have plenty of room for bar stools, and then this would be where a dining room table would go. Not too fond of that light, but this is an apartment and it's temporary until I get my townhouse. So we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Because next stop will be my luxury townhouse. All right, so I love this black granite. It is very, very pretty. And then it just wraps around into the kitchen. Not too fond of this sink. This property is about 8 years old. So, and then lots of storage in the kitchen, lots of drawers. One of the features that I love the backsplash. And then we also have lighting underneath the cabinets. I love that for at night. Stainless steel appliances, Whirlpool, stainless steel refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. I think this is an ice maker as well as water, freezer, refrigerator, and then nice size pantry. And then this is storage as well as washer and dryer. So they will bring the washer and dryer later today. So I'm assuming this is storage too, because I haven't figured out where I'm gonna put my Christmas decor. Okay. All right. And then my bedroom. So again, I can access the patio from my bedroom as well as the living room. Ceiling fan. And then here is my closet. So I have a really nice size walk-in closet. And then my bathroom. So I'm not too fond of this. I mean, it's pretty. The gray and kind of white, was that gray and white? But I'm thinking I'm going to do some peel and stick because I want it to be all white. So that's going to be one of the first things that I do. And then this is kind of leaning, so I need to let them know, you know, you have to do an apartment checklist when you first move in. So I will let them know about that. And then I'm going to take this shower rod all the way up and I'm going to get an extra long shower curtain. I've been looking at them online. So I think that'll make the bathroom appear bigger because it's, you know, it's a small bathroom, but it's just for me, child, just for me, which I absolutely love. So I will give you guys a quick peek of the swimming pool and some of the gym. One of the reasons I chose this place was for the amenities as well as location. Hold on guys, let me put this light out. I did a lot of apartment touring, but there were a few reasons why I chose this one. Number one was number one was the amenities, I will say that. The location was at the top of the list, but the amenities are amazing. Now there is a waiting list for, it's hot in here. There is a waiting list. I'll cut this fan off. There you go. There is a waiting list for a garage, which is fine because we have covered assigned parking. And then they have a state-of-the-art gym. The gym blew me away. We have concierge services, dry cleaning services, dog walking services, you name it. All of that is on the property. And then we have an elevator. A lot of the places that I was looking at, all they had was third floor apartments, but no elevator. And if you've been here a while, my last apartment was on the third floor and I'm not doing that no more. I mean, I will if they have an elevator. And so they had an elevator here. So that was really what sold me on this place was the elevator, because child, ain't nobody got time for, make sure I cut off all the lights, for all of those stairs. So, but yeah, I am loving the new place. I love this sink. I have one of these spray nozzles, which I love. I just don't like this overlay. think I'm gonna get one of the racks from Amazon. But yeah, I'm gonna order me some bar stools because it'll be a while before your girl has furniture. I've already ordered my bed, so the bed will be here. If it doesn't get here today, it'll be here tomorrow for sure. And then I just need to order a mattress. But I'm gonna take my time. I'm not in any rush, honey. It's just me and Shell. All right, guys, so that is what we are working with. I absolutely love it here. It will be a while before I get furniture because I'm in no rush. I have talked about being in a season of transition. I think a lot of you kind of understood where I was going with that, and then some of you, you know, y'all didn't know, but you kind of knew. Some of you guys, you know, were asking. And one thing about me, I am transparent. You know, it is what it is. I just want to say that it's okay to start over. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't start over. Don't let anybody tell you that. Hold on, I don't have my tripod. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't change your mind. Because sis, it is okay. It is perfectly okay for you to change your mind. Okay? I preach about walking away from things that no longer serve you. I can't tell y'all or, you know, encourage and inspire you guys to live your best life if I'm not living mine. And where I was and what was going on, it was no longer serving me. So, you know, here we are. You have to pray about everything and ask God for guidance, ask God for clarity, and focus on becoming a better version of yourself. And when you feel like it's time to move on from whatever, okay, then you start making the necessary preparations so that you can move on to what is or what will be serving you. I felt stagnant. I wasn't growing. It's just a lot. And not all of that had to deal with my living situation or my relationship status, but it had, you know, there was a big part that had a lot to do with it, okay? Just put it that way. Yeah, so I don't have any hard feelings. I wish everyone the best of luck. But yeah, it's a new season, sis. It's a new season. Yes, child. Look, and keto is ketoing, honey. I don't have, you know, my things will be delivered later today. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if I can show y'all the pool without showing y'all where I live, but I'm gonna show y'all the gym. All right, let's go check out the gym. All right, guys, I just did like little glimpses because safety first. But we have like an Olympic size pool. The pool is ginormous. The pool area, we have a sitting area. The gym is chef's kiss. You guys know that when I work out, I work out. Everything is controlled by an app on my phone. I just love it here. I love it here. When I was first looking at apartments, I don't want to say I was in a lack mindset, but I was not in my abundance mindset either. And I saw a video, and the video, I saw a video, and the person I was watching, she was listening to a sermon. And the sermon said, don't, like when you are having faith in God, you know, when you've prayed about something, you don't go and seek those things with a lack mindset. So basically he was saying, you don't go and find or move into something that you can afford. You move into what God promised you. And that just like solidified the whole deal for me and said, Sheena, you are operating from a lack mindset, and I lack nothing. Okay, I lack nothing. Okay, abundance surrounds me. I have an abundance mindset. Abundance is flowing to me. Maybe abundance is my middle name. Okay, so yeah, that just lets me know that God is my provider. He always will be. He has always been my provider, and he will always be my provider. Okay, God is my provider. Okay, so yes, okay, operate from an abundance mindset, sisters. Okay, you can have whatever it is you want, and this is just a prelude to what is coming. A prelude. Okay, so if you ain't subscribed, girl, what you waiting on? Okay, if you made it this far and you like my content, I hope you would consider subscribing. I love you guys so much. Leave me a comment. Okay, give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with a good sis. Share it with someone who might be going through something and who is like right on the edge, 1 foot in, 1 foot out, about a decision in her life. It doesn't have to be about a relationship. It could be about a job. It could be about anything. Just let her know that listen, you got to be still and listen to God. And if your gut tells you that you need to go, that this is not where you need to be, then you need to listen. Sis, you can change your mind, baby. All right, I'll talk to y'all, or I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you follow me on Insta, because baby, Insta be getting them updates. Okay, all right, y'all, bye.